If your TikTok account has been suspended, you can try the following steps to get it reinstated. 1. Appeal the suspension. TikTok allows you to appeal a suspension within 180 days of it happening. To appeal the suspension, follow these steps. A. Open the TikTok app and sign into your suspended account. B. Tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. C. Tap the three dots icon in the top right corner of the screen. D. Select Settings and Privacy. E. Scroll down and tap Account Review and Appeals. F. Tap Account Suspension. G. Tap Appeal. H. Follow the instructions to submit your appeal. 2. Review TikTok's community guidelines. Make sure that you understand TikTok's community guidelines and that you have not violated any of them. You can find the community guidelines here. https://www.tiktok.com/community-guidelines. 3. Contact TikTok support. If you have appealed your suspension and you have not heard back within 30 days, you can contact TikTok support for further assistance. You can contact TikTok support by following these steps. A. Open the TikTok app and tap the Me icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. B. Tap the three dots icon in the top right corner of the screen. C. Select Help Support. D. Tap Report a Problem. E. Tap Account and Profile. F. Tap Other. G. Tap Contact Us. H. Follow the instructions to submit your request. Here are some additional tips to avoid getting your TikTok account suspended. Do not post content that violates TikTok's community guidelines. This includes content that is hateful, harmful, or dangerous. Be respectful of other users. Do not bully, harass, or threaten other users. Do not post spam or fake content. Do not use TikTok to promote illegal activities. Do not use TikTok to impersonate others. By following these tips, you can help to keep your TikTok account safe and avoid getting suspended. I hope this information is helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe Techsor for more videos.